Real Debrid isn't working. That's probably why you've clicked on this video. Now, I wanted to rush this out really quickly with a fix for you, or at least explain what the problem is. So this is going straight out to YouTube. I'm not even going to edit it or anything. I wanted to get out to you as quickly as possible. So if it's a little bit rough around the edges, that is the reason why. Now, you clicked on this video because you think that Real Debrid is down or it is not working. Well, I'm going to bring you the info right now as to why that is happening. Now, if you follow me on Twitter, you might already know why this is happening. I'm just going to put it on screen now, my Twitter feed here, or this is what I tweeted out earlier on, and it's from Real Debrid. We deeply apologize for the issues occurring last 6 hours. Our database cluster has stalled, processes taking up all the resources and rendering the website painfully slow / inaccessible. In fact, we are currently in a process of changing our database servers for some time already to avoid these issues. We will keep you updated because we may need a small downtime for this sensible migration in the next coming days. Now, a compensation will occur during the day. Now, what they mean by a compensation will occur during the day, I'm not entirely sure. Why they use that sort of language. Compensation would basically, it says to me that you would be given something back for your troubles. I'm not so sure. At the end of the day, it only costs €3 for a month anyway, if that. So I don't really see why they would need to do it, because anybody that uses Real Debrid knows how good a service it is. But basically, that is the reason why then you may be having problems with Real Debrid. Now, if we get into some of the, if I click on the right thing even, if we go into some of the comments, or if I can just get into the thread properly here. So there we go. Is the service still down? I can't even access the website. And at this present time, there is no reason, or there's no update of when it will be back up or the completion of the maintenance. They don't tweet very often, Real Debrid. I think they've only had 11 tweets in total. But there's also someone here, TCS, is saying, wondering why Debrid links had popped up and disappeared. So that is basically the reason why there could be a problem with the Real Debrid service. And basically, not to worry. As I say, a lot of people are sharing, basically saying how wonderful a service it is, and basically saying not to worry and just continue with your hard work, which is really nice to see. So that is the reason. So there are, basically, it's down for maintenance. It will be temporary. I don't know of when it's going to be back up. They haven't actually relayed that information as yet. Now, if you want to follow me on Twitter, you'll definitely, if I get any new information, I'll certainly tweet about it and maybe even make another video, but hopefully it will not be a long downtime for Real Debrid. So there we go. I just thought I'd make a really quick impromptu video that's very rough around the edges, so I apologise for that, and hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.